What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel for another video. Today is kind of fitness related, not really. Well, it is though, it is. I just want to make a quick video about how frustrating this whole mask thing is, right? And I'm sure you guys have seen it on social media. I'm sure that some of you agree with it and some of you don't. But I'm just gonna tell you, I don't agree with it. Especially where? In the gym. Let me tell you my gym's rules. Here's the thing. My gym's rules are this. If you're working out, you take the mask off. When you're not working out, you put the mask on. So the way it was explained to me is exactly like this. If you're doing a bench press, you do your set with the mask off, and then you rack it and you put your mask on and you sit up. That's really, really stupid. It doesn't make any sense because check this out. It gets even cooler. If you're doing cardio, you don't have to wear a mask at all. You don't have to wear a mask at all. You go, you get on your piece of cardio equipment, you take the mask off and you run or you bike or you do whatever, but you don't have to wear the mask. So you have all these people in a closed space in the cardio section where none of the equipment has been shut down, and the rest of the gym, there's equipment shut down, there's things taped off. I'm not like, things like they literally ruined machines so people couldn't even use them if they wanted to, but yet all the cardio equipment is open. And you don't have to wear a mask. And they have a theater room that's only like 10 or 12 pieces of cardio equipment. And guess what? You don't wear a mask in there either, and none of it is shut down. So half the gym is sort of following the policy. And then the other thing is, if I bench, right, with dumbbells, and then I get up and I walk to the rack, the guy will still yell at you. He'll be like, hey man, put your mask on. Okay, I'm carrying weights. Is this not working out? I mean, is it not? And then if you're doing legs, like any of you guys that have done legs in a mask, that sucks. You can't recover, right? Because you're just breathing. And when those, the like surgeons type ones, when those get wet with sweat, they just suck to your face. And then you just feel like you're breathing in a plastic bag and you can't even breathe. So I'm like, at what point is this just hindering us instead of helping us? Like it's just, and I just feel like everyone's so fake about it, right? Like everybody is just saying, okay, we'll do what you want. But like at the same time, everyone's like, this is stupid. Like this doesn't, you know, to even like the same, they have like the same idea is like the restaurants, right? I went to a restaurant. What do? You come in with a mask on, you sign in, cool. You sit and you wait, awesome. And then guess what? You go to your table, as soon as your drinks are served, take your mask off, you put it away, and you don't worry about it. So now you have all these people in a restaurant just like normal. Why did I wear my mask to my seat? Just let me not wear the mask. Same thing at the gym. Why am I putting my mask on to walk to a piece of equipment, to work out, to take it off, to put it on, to take it off, to put... Look, you either wear it or you don't. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, am I the only one that's super annoyed by this? And don't get me wrong, I'm glad the gyms are back open because I know that some of you, the gyms may still be closed. It's just like, it just blows my mind. Like, you know, this is a health and wellness issue, and one of the first things you shut down is the gym. So now, like, I can barely, like in the very beginning, it was like I could barely eat right, okay, because Susan and her cousin and her, you know, whatever children are buying 10 pounds of meat. They haven't had ground beef, you know, all year. Now all of a sudden they need 10 pounds of it, and it's just like you're gonna waste it. I eat, you know, 10 pounds every week. So, you know, now I can't eat healthy because everyone's stocking up. I'm talking in the beginning, like now everything's cool, but people were stocking up, so I can't eat healthy. And then you shut the gyms down, so I can't work out. And I'm just like, you know, and at-home workouts, that's cool and everything, but they're just not for me. You know, I tried working out at somebody's garage gym. It's just not for me. It's like not, I can't get into it. You know what I mean? And then there's only so much you can do, and then you're just doing the same stuff over and over. Some people love it. Like if you're a power lifter, you know, bench, squat, deadlift, you're cool, you're chilling. All you need is one of those big racks and you're good. But not the bodybuilders, not most people, you know what I mean? And most people, the garage gym is way too expensive, and it's just, I gotta get out of the house and go work out. But it just blows my mind that you're gonna take fitness away from people, you know what I mean? Like, so first of all, the people that go to the gym are the most healthy people out of the population, right? Most of them, if you go to the gym, you at least take care of yourself somewhat, right? You're probably in the top 10% of the population, honestly, with how crazy the obesity rate is. And then probably 5% of them eat right, or at least try to eat right. So I mean, they're probably not sick near as often as the other other 90% that's just going to work and coming home and sitting on the couch and doing nothing. But yet we're shutting the gyms down. I don't get it. I just don't get it, and I just had to tell somebody, so I figured I'd tell you guys. I hope that we can just lose this mask stuff soon. But I mean, all in all, like, if I have to pick gym closed or gym open with mask, I mean, come on, like, I'll wear the mask. Like, I wear it in and then I put it down, and when the manager comes around, I pull it up. Like, it's no big deal, whatever, we're chilling. But it's just the principle of things. I feel like as a whole, we're giving into it, and I just don't see why. It's so frustrating, you know what I mean? But then at the same time, I'm like, well, why don't I say something? And it's like, well, because if I say something, they kick me out of the gym, and then I have nowhere to work out, you know what I mean? You would have to get your entire gym to sign a petition, which I thought about, saying, hey, F you, we're not gonna work out here anymore unless you take away the mask policy. You guys need to stand up to whoever's telling you, maybe the governor or whatever, to wear the masks. And then you guys will go bankrupt if we stop coming. Because that's the truth, you know what I mean? The clients hold the power. I mean, if we all sign a petition saying we're not going until the masks are removed, they will go out of business. But that's hard to coordinate. It really is. Just a little rant for you guys today. I know it wasn't like super fitness related. I was just at the gym and it was frustrating, and one of my buddies actually got like yelled at for it, and he was like, bro, I'm not putting it on. And then I don't really know what was said, but it was just frustrating. Is the manager of the gym is just, you know, we can pretend to wear the masks and we can all get along. And if you see someone not wearing the mask, just don't, whatever, you know what I mean? Because like the chances of them being inspected is so small anyways. But regardless, just wanted to, I guess, kind of complain about that. But that's gonna be it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to smash that like button if you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below if you shared my frustration, or if you made it this far in the video. Be sure to subscribe for all my new upcoming content. I promise you the next one will be informational. And follow if you watch these videos on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one.